Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the name reactions of chapter haloalkane and haloarenes. कुछ name reactions आप पहले वाले lecture में पढ़ चुके हैं. In continuity with that, we are going to discuss the remaining one name reactions. These name reactions are very important. पेपर में डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन भी यहाँ से आता है या फिर ये आपको कन्वर्जन के तौर पर भी हेल्प करती है. तो आवर फर्स्ट नेम रिएक्शन इज गेटरमैन रिएक्शन. दिस रिएक्शन इज यूज्ड इन ऑर्डर टू सिंथेसाइज द हैलोएरीन्स. हैलोएरीन्स बनाने के लिए ये एक बहुत बेस्ट मेथड है. तो इस मेथड में हमें क्या चाहिए होता है? वी रिक्वायर एनिलीन and first step is conversion of aniline into diazonium salt. The reagent which we are going to use is HNO2. HNO2 डायरेक्ट हम प्रिपेयर नहीं कर सकते, तो for this we have to take NaNO2 plus HCl. So in situ, by the combination of this NaNO2 and HCl, we are going to have HNO2. And the temperature condition is very much important. 273 से 278 Kelvin. My temperature we have to be kept very low. So under this condition, this aniline will converted into diazonium salt. This is the diazonium salt. It is known as benzene diazonium salt. Why benzene diazonium? This is the benzene ring. Di माने 2, aza माने nitrogen. So if you see here 2 nitrogens are there, that's why this is benzene diazonium. Since positive negative is here, so there is a combination of salt, so we are calling it as a benzene diazonium salt. So this is the main intermediate for the Getterman reaction. Now we will treat this benzene diazonium salt with copper in the presence of HCl. You can take copper in the presence of HCl or you can take copper in the presence of HBr. What will happen? This N2 will remove because N2 is a stable gas, so it will escape out from here and the halogen will get inserted over here. So you will get the chlorobenzene and plus N2 as a side product. So in this way you can prepare the chlorobenzene and bromobenzene as well if you are treating HBr. So this is the method of preparation of haloarene with the help of Getterman. Now next name reaction is the Woods reaction. Woods reaction is again very important. If you want to increase the number of carbon atom or if you want to do exact double the number of carbon atom, then you have to use the Woods reaction. For this you have to take the haloalkane. This reaction specifically occurs in the presence of sodium over dry ether. What will happen? You have to take 2 molecules of haloalkane. I am writing one molecule as this is my sodium and this is the another molecule. So here NaX will be escape out and this bond will be formed between these two alkyne. So this is the my Woods reaction. So if you see here 1 carbon atom and in the product I am getting 2 carbon atoms, so this is the utility of my Woods reaction and this specifically occurs with the help of my haloalkane. Third reaction is Fittig reaction. जैसे अभी हमने डबल किया aliphatic को, if you want to create doubling of aromatic chain, then we will use the Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction में आप कोई भी haloarene लेंगे and you will just combine 2 aromatic compound. So I am taking my haloarene. Reagent is my same sodium in the presence of dry ether. I am taking again 2 molecule. Same तरीके से होगा. I am writing my haloarene as what will happen? NaX will be escape out and 2 benzene ring will get attached. So there is a formation of biaryl. Specifically ये जो aromatic compound मैंने लिया है benzene phenyl है ये, तो इसको हम बोलेंगे यहाँ पर formation of diphenyl. So if you want to make biaryls or diphenyl, then you have to use the Fittig reaction. Now our next reaction is Woods Fittig. As the name indicates, in Woods Fittig, I will take one reactant from Wood's reaction and one reactant from Fittig reaction and just combine these two. So next one is Wood's Fittig reaction. This is the one molecule, this is second molecule. Reagent is again same, sodium in the presence of dry ether. What will happen? This sodium will make bond with this X and X, it will escape out and formation of this product. So this is the utility of my Wood's Fittig. Last but not the least, coming to the Ullmann Bareil synthesis. ये बिल्कुल फिटिक रिएक्शन की तरह ही है. फिटिक में भी जैसे हमने दो एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड को आपस में एक्यूमुलेट किया था, सेम उसी तरीके से उल्मान में भी है. बस फ़र्क ये है कि यहाँ पर आप अपना हेलोएरिन स्पेसिफिक ले रहे हैं. फिटिक में आपने जनरल हेलोएरिन लिया था, उल्मान स्पेसिफिकली होती है आइडोबेंजीन के साथ. So we are taking iodobenzene and this will occur in the presence of copper sealed tube. ये फ़र्क है उल्मान में और फिटिक रिएक्शन में. तो जैसे वहाँ पर सोडियम ने बॉन्ड बनाया था, यहाँ पर कॉपर विल ब्रेक अ बॉन्ड. आई एम शोइंग ओवर हियर. And two benzene ring will get attached. Again there is a formation of baryl group. But फर्क ये है, फिटिक में जनरलाइज था, आप कोई भी हेलोरिन ले सकते हैं, यहाँ पर होगा इन द हेल्प ऑफ आइडोबेंजीन. So this is all about the name reactions. Thank you so much, friends.